Alright guys, it's a very popular error. So the site cannot be reached. So I've entered a path over here and it's telling that the site cannot be reached. I've tried another path and again you can see the notification, the site cannot be reached. Click on details and you're going to see all these are the several details. So what are the several reasons for that? Check your internet connection, and maybe antivirus or the firewall is blocking the IP address, or if you use proxy server. So step by step follow the guides if you would like to fix the problem. So you're gonna see three dotted lines over here, or three dash line. Click on that and then you're gonna go to the settings. Click on settings, and come down. Click on advanced. So obviously if you are using the different browser, check somewhere for the open proxy setting. So this is in Chrome. So once you click on advanced, you're gonna click over here open proxy settings and then click on connection. So once you choose this tab connection, click on LAN settings and uncheck this box and check this one. So automatically detect setting and click on OK. Click on OK. Once you have done that, make sure you check it once again. In connection, LAN settings, OK, automatically detect settings. Click on OK. And then make sure you restart the PC and check if it is working or not. So if that do not fix your issue, so you can see this network icon in your taskbar. So right click on it and click on troubleshoot problem. So it starts detecting the problem and then it's gonna fix it. So this is the second method. So the third method is give a right click on it and click on open network and internet settings. Once you open that, click on this Ethernet and then click on change adapter settings. Then after you have this, so give a right click on it and then click on properties. Once you click on properties, select this Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IP version 4. Select this and then click on properties. So make sure that you have selected over here obtain an IP address automatically, obtain a DNS server address automatically. So make sure you have choose this automatic option. So if you are using this IP address and DNS server manually, you're going to choose automatically. So if you are already using the automatically, even try putting this DNS and IP address manually. So if it is manually, change it to automatic and then click on OK. Click on close. So this should fix your problem. So this was another step to follow. Okay guys, the next step to follow. Okay guys, the next step that you can follow, go to the search and then, or you can go to the start and type CMD. So it's command prompt. You can search for the command prompt, right click on it So just right click on it, and then click on run as administrator. If it asks you for any permission, click on yes, and then you're gonna get this. So guys, you have to type the path over here. So let me show you. In the very beginning, you're gonna type this. So I'm just going to copy it. So make a note of this. So in the beginning, you're gonna type this path in the command prompt. So make sure you type the path correctly without any spelling mistake. Okay, here we have. So no space. So it is NetAssets WINSOCK reset catalog, and then click on enter. Wait for a few seconds. You're gonna see this message. So you have to restart the computer, and then once you restart, again you're gonna type this. So this is the second step. So do it after restart. So after you restart, you're gonna type this and then click on enter. So you can see some mistake over here. So it is NetAssets. So make sure you type it correctly. So it's NetAssets, and then click on enter. So give a moment. So I have entered. You can see, pause the video and make a note of it. So it's both the path over here. So at first you need to enter this one and then this one. So here you go. You can see everything is okay. So once it is completed, you just have to restart your computer. So this should fix your issue. So follow all these steps guys, and it will definitely fix your issue. So one more steps that you can try. So you're gonna right click on my computer or this PC, click on manage, click on device manager, and then click on this network adapter. So right click on it, click on scan for the hardware change, and then update the driver. So this is the another steps that you can follow. You can update it, or you can automatically update it over the internet. So this is the another steps that you can follow to fix the issue. So all these steps, all these are the several possible steps that will definitely fix you the issue. So either steps will definitely fix your issue guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video for the best guide and the best stuff. I hope it fixed. Check the video description for few more stuff. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.